163,000 followers saw these calls in a tamper-proof Telegram channel that we gave. ONT 8.5x. Yes, that is your $10,000 becoming $85,000. ZIL 3x. Yes, that is your 10K becoming 30K or your 85K becoming, well, you do the math. Theta 200%. Pundi, yes, this is not a typo, 163,000 witnesses announced for free multiple times, 20x. Are you interested to discover what works today in 2018 in crypto trading from probably the most accurate crypto trading team on the planet? If so, buckle up and agree on this fundamental fact. Bitcoin goes up and down. It doesn't go just up or just down. Alts do it on steroids. Gone are the times of late 2017 when everything was flourishing. So for that, it is equally important the money you don't lose, as is the money you earn. And how did I save people from losing it? And who the hell am I? I go by the pseudonym of D-Man. That became so popular that books have been written about me. Yup, I didn't pay for them. My book about cryptocurrencies, Blockchain Decrypted in 2018, became Amazon #1 bestseller for cryptocurrencies and investment derivatives. I did not get my fame in bullish times, when everything goes up, of late 2017. I got my fame by first telling people to sell everything when Bitcoin was 18K, multiple alerts like these. That would save a person that had 3 Bitcoins worth $54,000 from having 3 Bitcoins worth $17,400. Preventing a loss is the surest way to gains.
Because of Blockchain Whispers, I've been able to get titties. I've been able to get Lambos. I've been able to get McLarens.
You see, with popularity, worldwide fame, being called the names, I am too shy to repeat regarding how accurate my analysis is. I got the best payback of all time. I got the team. A fundamental analyst, Mr. Y, who was like an oracle of crypto. Mr. Y sees, for example, now that Ethereum has scalability problems due to its scaling problems where its block size has exceeded 1 TB, meaning most new validators becoming partial, centralizing the Ethereum blockchain, proof of stake problems, sharding problems. If you are interested in more, you can find it, State of Ethereum, on our website, blockchainwhispers.com. Mr. Y is a genius, and we were running Blockchain Whispers Telegram channel for a while as a hobby, helping people become more aware of what's going on in crypto. Then our lucky break came in. Forces from the shadow saw what we were doing and liked it, and we formed the cartel. The 5 most powerful crypto traders came under one roof as cooperatives. We don't own them. We exclusively share trades, thoughts, and info with them. And for that, we also pay them. Number 1. Hedge fund trader, Cartel S. Number 2. Bitcoin Top Gun, Cartel H. Number 3. Leverage trading experts, traders Miss J, 90 of 94 Forex trades, Mr. T. Number 4. Fundamental analyst, probably the best in the crypto world today, Mr. Y5. Me, yours truly, who predicted all those Bitcoin movements this year. Dips to 6K, dips from 18K in January. I am now the least important part of the team, and I am proud of it. You see, with the rise of crypto popularity, people wanted to be famous, some wanted to build brand, and all I wanted was accuracy. Accuracy we got. Imagine yourself buying Pundi with us. Say you bought $10,000 worth of Pundi back then. The very tomorrow it dipped 40%. The public free group questioned us like, what the fuck? Only to read my prediction, by June 1st, expect it to be 5x. I failed. It didn't become 5x. It became a 20x. And we told them, led them, and told them to sell it on the very spike. Most listened to us making their $10,000 into $200,000 in less than 3 months. Of course, these results are not every day. but this was our strongest pick this year. You see, it's equally important to know when to get out of trade. We told folks to sell on the Binance hype, not to wait for Binance to boost its value. We sold at 20x. Within 3 days, it started dipping and never recovering its old value. Luck? What about our ONT? Mr. Y found it ahead of time. It dipped a bit in the process, ending up making us 8.5x our investment. Mr. Y had one amazing discovery that he won't get credits for because the market fell, but ahead of time, he said ZRX will be one of the first Coinbase additions, and so it did. He analyzed Coinbase requirements. Actually, let me show you what he took into account. Coinbase listing and Goldman Sachs connection. I observed several points that led me to the conclusion that 0x will be listed at Coinbase or used as an underlying protocol for their ERC-20 trading operation this year. 1. The ZRX token is fully compliant with the requirements for new listings that GDAX published. 2. 3 from 4 advisors to 0x are employees of Coinbase, including Fred Ehrsam, which is the co-founder of Coinbase. 3. Coinbase would profit from having a cheap token listed, an asset that is priced under $10. 4. ZRX team was seen on multiple occasions at the Coinbase office in the last weeks. 5. ZRX is the best and most useful ERC-20 token that exists right now. Another interesting detail is that OceanX, built on 0x, has ties to Goldman Sachs, which aims to open a cryptocurrency trading desk at Wall Street in the coming months. This is what Mr. Y single-handedly discovered. This became true months later, and in normal times where Bitcoin is going sideways or bull times, it would 3x to 5x the investment easily.
A channel called Blockchain Whispers. This guy is amazing. He has an entire team of analysts that are going over charts, new ICO white papers, finding good projects, and their overall accuracy for their calls have been 23 out of the last 24 correct.
Right now, we are in heavy bear times, so it had some spikes, but not enough to make this Hall of Fame. So we told our guys to sell it and buy bear market Proofcoin instead. Why I am saying this is because you can't do it alone. I can't do it. I can predict Bitcoin, not know which coin is good fundamentally. Or Mr. Y can know ZRX is badass, not knowing that Bitcoin in the next 2 weeks will melt it all away. The cartel has other badass inputs on leverage trade. Basically, most of you know what leverage trade is, but if you don't, it is a riskier way of trading that allows you to make bigger gains by borrowing buy power. For example, with leverage, you can invest only 1 Bitcoin of your own and borrow other 9, so you trade 10 to 1. But if the trade doesn't go into your direction, you can lose your entire Bitcoin. We have a special team for BitMEX and leverage trade who are good at it. You see, even I am aware I can't do it alone. That is why I am fortunate to have found the team and the Blockchain Whispers cartel. Before our Telegram hack and we lost 160,000 followers in an unrecoverable account, our premium members were intact and moved to the new website with us. So why am I telling you this? Simply, I want to give you an opportunity to get these multi-million-dollar worth secrets. People were throwing at me thousands of Bitcoins to manage for a fraction of price. These are the prices. 0.147 BTC a month, 0.397 BTC 3 months, 10% discount, 1.47 BTC, 2 months free. These prices only go up. We never had a discount to them ever. If you decide it's a smart decision for you to have our team give you signals and what we believe is right, hop on board. Click the button below and get started. You will be added into a secret signal delivery platform where you can get signals timely and to the best of our knowledge. Before you sign up, warning. First of all, no investment is a sure bet. Neither is this. I believe we have an edge, a huge edge over the general market. However, this may or may not be true. I want to be always honest and upfront with you. Second, portfolio management is important because in trading we get trade odds, not certainties. If we win 8 out of 10 and you go all in every trade, you will end up broke. If you invest 5% in every trade, you'll grow in this example to being badass in no time. Third, do this only if you believe in Bitcoin, as we are focused on multiplying Bitcoin. I believe, due to great analysis and insiders to the market I have, that Bitcoin is going to go up in the following years, and strongly up. With ETF, institutional money, and everything being just one part of the puzzle. How hard is it to trade on our signals? Well, I don't like to breed idiots. If you can't manage your way around Binance, this probably isn't for you. But if you're starting out, don't worry. It's like 3 clicks to make a trade in most cases. You will be expected to learn and evolve, to use stop loss, etc. And that is a couple of clicks and you can grasp it all in, 15 minutes. What I advise you first is to trade only on fundamental long-term signals, while you're warming up. Then, you should decide you like our track record and you can follow it. Try some shorter-term stuff, some BitMEX stuff, some fast-paced, high-risk profit chases. If you decide this might be a worthy investment for you, select your package and let's begin. Note, a disclaimer. There are no certified guys in crypto. It's new. It's wild. We are not investment advisors. We are just ordinary people like you. We work extra hard and have connections to believe we have an edge. You trade, always, at your own risk, and I can't guarantee you any profits, nor would I want to. You have to be a big boy, responsible for your actions. I'm not writing here to sweet talk you, as I need real men worthy of success. The premium membership is near its cap anyway, and once it's reached it, it is shut until new openings happen. Do not think it's a marketing gimmick. It was shut 4 times already, not accepting members, paying members. My goal is to not convince you, because then I get an idiot on board. My goal is to inform you, to present you the facts and information you need to make your own decision. There are always 2 roads. You can go back to reading tweets, when moon, what Lambo, from people who are like a fish in this zero-sum game full of whales and sharks. You can continue as you were doing, and if you choose to do so, I wish you the best of luck, as the odds are, you will need it. Or you can take advice from the richest men who ever lived and get advisors. Get us on your side, allow us to inform you, work hard for you, and present you our findings. Get an edge over the masses who don't know our discoveries. Then weigh all your options and do what your brain and gut tells you to. I made a book #1 bestseller in crypto in 4 hours because of my loyal following. I made an ordinary channel into the fastest growing, most trusting channel with the biggest buy power in 2018 because of my loyal following. Do you think I would have such a loyal following if I wouldn't do something good for crypto and for the people? My channel got taken down because the info was too white hot for those who manipulate the prices. I invite you to join us and have the cartel watch your back. You don't have to take a blood oath. This is to save you from the bloodbath. Soldier, take action. For crypto intel that gives you an edge. D.